Welcome to this Android channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video. One of the things you should do when you get a new phone, and it's uninstall crappy apps that manufacturers tend to install on your phone. Now, there are two types of these apps. Some that you can't uninstall. Manufacturers have some of their apps that they just don't want you to uninstall. And when that happens, well, there's not much you can do about it because they kind of have that stuck pretty much there. But one of the things that is possible is some apps are possible to uninstall. So every manufacturer has their own in-house apps, if you want, that are posted there. Possibly you won't be able to uninstall any of them. But there's also a certain number of apps that come from third-party companies. And these apps, most of the time, you can uninstall them. And that means that you can actually go through the apps and remove them and uninstall them. And one of the easiest ways to do so is actually to just tap on the icon of the app on your screen, hold, and in the choices, one of them will be uninstall. If you have that, uninstall it. You can also go into your app lists and uninstall them from within the settings of your phone. So this will, there's several reasons why. First of all, no one wants to have apps they don't use. And they actually use space on your phone. That means you got less space for your own stuff. And basically, the other thing is sometimes they can run in the background, slow down your phone, and drain some of that battery life of yours. So, go around with your first, when you get that new phone and start uninstalling all these apps that you'll never use and that often are there just because some third-party companies pay the manufacturers to have these apps already pre-installed. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.